Ladies and gents of the YouTube, welcome back. If you happen to be new, don't forget to subscribe while you're here. So, today I have a little treat. Long story short, I stumbled upon a free motorcycle in a backyard that was about to head to the dump, and it turns out to be a 1 year only 90cc two-stroke twin, and from my research, it's the smallest twin cylinder two-stroke street bike made. I couldn't find any smaller twins than a 90. So without further ado, let's check out this 1971 Yamaha HS1. I think that's what it's called. Well, oh my goodness, I didn't specify the condition, and it's not in very good condition, but it's mostly there, and I think we're just gonna part this bad boy out. At least we saved it from the dump. But yeah, let's check out the engine here. Look at how tiny these little intakes are. That's so small. I can't even fit my thumb in there, which, you know, the piston is probably like that big. It's like two little weed whacker engines put together. And it's oil injection, which is, you know, kind of standard for the times. Last time she was on the road, 1987. So yeah, 32 years she has been hibernating in this old lady's backyard, and the lady was like really trying to get the yard cleaned up, and I was glad that her friend told me about this bike before they took it to the junkyard or to the dump. Unfortunately though, it is just too rough to restore, and it's missing the carburetors, which is a real bummer. Everything else kind of looks like it's there, but these bikes aren't worth a gazillion dollars. So for me to restore something like this, it would cost, I don't know, 5 to 10 grand pretty easy by the time we went through the engine and all that good stuff. So let's part it out. Alright guys, the carnage continues. So with a little bit of brute force and ugliness, we got the engine out, and it took a little extra time, but I really didn't want to hack up the electrical, so we took everything apart and fed it all out and all that. So the wiring harness is all complete, because whoever buys this thing is probably going to want that. But yeah, not too much more to take apart on her. She's just a carcass now. Then the real fun starts, where I have to clean and label all this crap and then start listing it on the old eBay, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Alright guys, so got the engine all wrapped up and all that good stuff. And out here, well, this is what's left of her. It only takes a couple hours to completely get her down to that. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed our little Yamaha HS1 video. Too bad it wasn't in better condition, otherwise we would have considered restoring it or getting it going, but kind of roached out. So if you need parts, my eBay store, Mason George Motorcycles, this stuff will be listed. You can always send me a message or whatever as well. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.